Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit mobile notifications on YouTube. So the first thing you do is open up your YouTube app. Now at the bottom here, click on the U icon. Now at the top here, you click on the gear icon, which is at the top right corner. Just open up your settings. Then you go all the way to notifications, tap on it, and then you have mobile notifications. We have lots of options under that. We have the first one, which is the schedule digest. This helps you to get any notifications as a daily digest at 7 p.m. You can tap to customize the delivery time. If you want to customize, tap here and you can choose the time. If you do not want, you can just simply turn it on here. Simple. Then we have the next option, which is subscriptions. If you leave it on, it means you want to be notified about activity from the channels that you're subscribed to. If you do not want that, just simply turn it off. Then we have channel setting. If you tap on this, it will help to manage notification settings for each subscribed channel, each and every one of them. So it will show you all the subscribed channel, and you can manage the notification by clicking on the notification bell. So you can use personalized or none. You can even unsubscribe from here. So let's go back. So we go back to our gear. We go all the way down to notifications, and then we go for recommend videos, which is next step. Now this is to notify you of videos that you might like based on what you watched. If you want notification, leave it on. If you don't, turn it off. So I want it, so I turn it on. Now the next one is to recommend ways to create. What does that mean? To notify you with recommended trends and ways you can create such trends. If you want it on, leave it on. If you don't, just simply turn it off by tapping on this here, over here. Simple. Next, you have activity on your channel. This is to notify you about comments and other activity on your channel or videos. You can leave it on. Next, you have replies to your comments. Now this is to notify you about activity on your comments and posts on other channels. You can leave it on. If you don't want it, you can simply turn it off. Then you have also notifications that will you have notification on your mentions, which means you'll be notified when others mention your channel. We also have shared content, where you'll be notified when other people share your content on their channels. We also have product updates, where you'll be notified of new product updates and announcements. We also have promotional content and offerings, where you'll be notified of promotional content and offerings like members only perks. Then you can also be notified to suggest videos that you might like to watch on TV. Then you also have the option to disable sounds and vibration. So silent notifications during a particular hour, which you specify by tapping here to choose the time and the end time, the start time and the end time, when those sounds and vibrations will be disabled, and instead you get silent notifications. Then you can also choose the last one, which is to notify you on YouTube and your YouTube music when you receive a new badge. Turn any of them on or on, depending on your preference. That's all it takes to edit mobile notifications on YouTube.